Hello everybody, this is Hans talking about the OB move and the Hanzo move from today. It is almost midnight here, but it was for me very important that I'm going to do it today because it's all fresh in my mind. So let me explain that picture to you first, and then I start the recording and we look at all the things what's happening here. If you maybe remember, I mentioned today that actually that time period from, let's say, 9 o'clock, which is 1500 here at my time, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, until, let's say, quarter to 4 or quarter to 10 in the room time, we have actually three moves which we could take if you really want to. But I decided just to take the OB move if it is okay for me, but I was really specialized in the Hanzo move, and that was the Hanzo move here, okay? But let me explain all this here. So this is for Jules. Jules, you are thinking that this would be the Hanzo move. No, it was not. This was the preparation for the OB move. As I mentioned, there's always a move just before the OB move. It's mostly happening like that. Then we have the OB move down, and then we had this attempt here. Here MM got killed because I think she took that part. That was very, very wrong to take that because the BB went flipped down before and then that showed up. So this is absolutely not to be taken. And actually here in that period we did not break nothing. We didn't break the 5 or the 15 or the 1 or the 4 hour. Only here we broke the 1 hour, and here we broke also the 4 hour. And these were my two attempts when I took the Renko, the Hanzo. But let me to continue to explain. So, like I said here, it was the first time for me to take the Hanzo, and I got in here, right? And then I was up 30 pips, and with 30 pips I put my stop loss here plus 10, because I really wanted to go up higher, but it stopped at the 5 OL. Here, this is the 5 OL up here, alright. Then it came down, and that yellow Renko here arrived only when the price action was down here, only then that came, alright. And that white came exactly on that spot. And then it went all down. We broke the 4 hour BB, but I did not take this here because it was not ready for me anyway, okay? I waited until we got that 15 blue. It arrived exactly here, then it went down again, and then it went up again, and I got in here. This was my actual entry for the second Hanzo, the second attempt, and that Hanzo, that real Hanzo from here gave 120 pips. So I got in here, and then I was up 40 pips. I think it was somewhere here, 10, 20, 30, yeah, here. I was up 40 pips, and I put my stop loss to plus 20 pips, and the freaking thing came down and closed me. So I had 20 pips here, I had 10 pips here, altogether 30 pips. I thought, you know what, this is it for me today, because I saw all the yellows appearing here on the 5 and also here on the HJ. Well, we had a lot of yellows. I can't remember on the 15, but here we had a lot of yellows. So I thought, no, this is it for me. I closed my account today, go home with 30 pips. At least I didn't lose anything. All right, and then this Hanzo went right up here, and here we got on the 5-minute BB band. That yellow arrived, and then it came down again. So now I had to take this off, then we will see everything in action here while I switch that on, okay? So I bring that back. I have to do it this way, otherwise the picture will always disappear. So now look at this here. We shortly before the OB move, okay? Now it's preparing for the OB move, meaning we have all these yellows here. This thing will want to go up. Then we have here the blue and the super pink. It wants to go up, but it only goes up so far, not really far enough. It didn't break the 15, or it didn't, I think it didn't break even, the 5 BB came down. Yeah, that's it. And that's the OB move here now. Look at the time. Okay, now we have the OB move starting. Okay, and I'm going to speed that up a little bit. Maybe I do it like that. And then the picture is disappearing, you see. Let's just speed that up a little bit. Okay, so let's see what's happening here. All right, let me get the picture back. Boop. Okay, this is bull. So now then, now we're coming close to that period here. All right, and then we see this what's happening here. We just broke the Renko BB and we broke the HABB. We didn't even break the 5 BB. Okay, it was a bit flipped up, but that is not a break really. We didn't break the 15. We didn't break the 1 hour. That broken 1 hour here, that's history. It was before. It's got nothing to do with our OB or Hanzo. This is the one we need to take in consideration, plus of course the 4 hour. Okay, and then like Stephanie said, she was going by that big blue here, and she knew that big blue would give us down to the 8 hour orange line, which later it did. Yeah. So Jules, you said the Hanzo was down. No, it was not. That was not the Hanzo, that was the OB move, Jules. Okay. Now look at this here. Now we have all these problems over here, which I circled here. So why not to be taken that? Now watch this here. The BB band's coming down. You see that? And then I think you took it over here. But this was wrong because the BB was broken down already, okay? And here we have that yellow, okay? But there's nothing broken yet here. Here's nothing broken. Here's nothing broken. Here's nothing broken. Here's nothing broken. So we have to wait. We really, really have to wait. I just put that up a little bit more so we can see the mom. Oops. Yep. So we can see the mom here, right? So see we coming down again, okay? Watch the moms. This was in green. So that means there is no way that we can take that up yet. Absolutely not. So I just speed that up a little bit. Hang on a second. Let's speed that up a little bit. When I bring it back, I can't continue speeding. But we see what's happening here now, okay? So here it's coming down again. And it goes up, I think, at 38 or 39. We start having this situation here, all right? So let's just now watch this. I think I want to speed it up a little bit more. So we don't have to wait too long here, okay? Or maybe you took it over here, MM. I have no idea. But for me, it was not ready. It was just not ready. Okay, maybe you saw that one here. But you saw that one, but we didn't. It was a little bit flipping up, that's correct. But we didn't really break it. We didn't break nothing here. We didn't break nothing here. We didn't break nothing here. So that's why it was not ready yet, okay? Now watch that. When we come to that part here, and you will see, and that's I think 38 or 39, and then it's the first attempt of the Hanzo. This is the one I took. Have to speed that up again a little bit, otherwise we have to wait too long. So speed it up a little bit. You see it goes further down. Oof. And I think you lost here, right? I think that's why you lost, correct? Now watch this here, okay? Now we're gonna break that 5-minute BB, okay? And now watch it. I think so here, I think this was my first attempt. This was my first attempt to take, all right? Now, I just let that play again, put that back on. I think this was that here? I think that was here, yeah. Must have been here, this one. Must have been that one. Now let's watch here. Yeah, it was that one. Yeah, it was that one. That was my first attempt, okay? and that goes up actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 60 pips. I don't know if anybody took that. MT took that down here, 50 pips, as you can see. Also Sergeant took it down, Just One took it down, or he took that one here, the OB, I can't remember. I don't know which one they took. Okay, they couldn't have taken that one, that was not 60, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. They probably took the OB move down. Okay, so now then, so this was my first attempt then. So this was the attempt then. I can't remember, no, not supposed to be like that. Nee. That is my attempt here, that's the first attempt. That's coming now, yeah. That's my first attempt, no, it was not that here. It's coming now, because now, you see that? We broke the 15, we broke the 1 hour, we're on the 4 hour BB band. So I waited here until we started with the green, with the first green. We had a HA yellow, and I got in here when the green started to really fill up. How do you say fill up? Now Sergeant took again 50 down. Yeah, I got in here. That was my first attempt, that one here. All right, so I got in here, but then I saw that one here and I thought, oh, so I better put my stop loss somewhere safe. And then I put it 10 pips here, and chuck, it took me out when it came down. So I had my first 10 pips here. Oh, I put it here. Yeah, I got in here and I put it here. That's it. Yeah, I got in here and I put my stop loss here. So that was it. And then this one took me out. That's correct. So now it's again humbling around, and now look what's happening here. Okay, I have to speed up a little bit, otherwise the video takes too long. So and I only can do it like that. If I bring the picture back, it will not be good. Now look, that is all up and down again. All right, now please watch the time here at 45. The new 15 blue will arrive. Now we broke the one, we got the 1 hour broken. Okay, also then the 4 hour will be broken. So I speed up a little bit. So I bring the picture back. Oh. Now watch it, when we got exactly at 45, watch what's happening here. Watch now, 5 seconds left, watch it. Bang, you see, the next blue. Now it goes up a little bit first and then it comes down. It goes up a little bit first and then it comes down again. And I took it here. Now watch that. Can't speed it up. So I think I took it there with the mom. And it was fully developed here. Yeah, I took it here. It came down a little bit again, but then it continued to go up. All right. And then, like I said, I was at 40. I put my stop loss at 20. And then it got me out again. I thought, oh, no, not really. Because I thought this is it. Because now we have the blue. We broke the 4 hour. We broke the 1 hour. We broke the 15. We broke the 5. We break everything here. We did break everything. So that has to go up. Then we got a confirmation here of the white one. And I thought, okay, it will really go up. And yeah. And that's it actually. Okay. And then it went up for 120 pips. Then here we were on the 5-minute BB band, so up here, and then we got a yellow one and it went down again, and then the rest is history, everybody knows. So I hope you understood that now. Maybe you can study this whole situation again for your, and I hope today you will make it better. Okay, over and out. I see you in the room.